Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create MEXC account. So if you also want to create MEXC account, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So MEXC is a global cryptocurrency exchange that allows the users to buy, sell and trade various digital cryptocurrencies. So if you also want to create MEXC account, for that first of all what you have to do is launch up an MEXC application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once you open the MEXC application, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the option for sign up. All you have to do is tap on it, or you can also tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find two options, login and sign up. Simply tap on the sign up option. After that, you'll be led to the sign up interface. Due to privacy and security reason, this interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. You can either use your email or you can also use your mobile number. Simply tap on the option of your choice. If you want to sign up with your email address, what you have to do is enter your email address and create a password for yourself in this interface. After that, simply tap on the continue option. After that, what you have to do is verify your email address. For that, what you have to do is check your email. Over there, you'll be able to receive the 6-digit code. Simply open Gmail application on your device. You can see over here I'm opening Gmail. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. MEXC has sent me the email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here that particular email will be opened. Now over here you'll be able to find your verification code. Simply memorize this code. Go back to the MEXC application. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. After that, you can see over here your account has been created. So like this, you'll be able to create MEXC account. So that is how you create MEXC account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.